Your first question is, which country is the largest producer of wool? A. Australia. B. India. C. Pakistan. D. China. Your correct answer is option A. Australia. What is the official currency of Australia? A. Dollar. B. Euro. C. Peso. D. Ruble. Your correct answer is option A. Dollar. In which layer of atmosphere the ozone layer is present? A. Thermosphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Troposphere. Your correct answer is option B. Stratosphere. What is the scientific study of earthquake is known as? A. Cosmology. B. Geology. C. Meteorology. D. Seismology. Your correct answer is option D. Seismology. World Environment Day is observed every year on A. the 13th of January. B. the 5th of September. C. the 5th of June. D. the 2nd of October. Your correct answer is option C. the 5th of June. Which festival can be visible from space? A. Diwali. B. Holi. C. Makar Sankranti. D. Kumbh Mela. Your correct answer is option D. Kumbh Mela. River Ganga emerges from Gangotri and ends at A. Indus River. B. Arabian Sea. C. Bay of Bengal. D. Rameshwaram. Your correct answer is option C. Bay of Bengal. What is the color of the nitrogen gas? A. Blue. B. White. C. Green. D. Colorless. Your correct answer is option D. Colorless. What is the name of the boundary line between India and Pakistan? A. Durand. B. McMahon. C. Radcliffe. D. Line of control. Your correct answer is option C. Radcliffe. Who was popularly known as the Shakespeare of India? A. Surdas. B. Kalidas. C. Tulsidas. D. Ramdas. Your correct answer is option B. Kalidas. Bhabha Nuclear Reserve Center is located in which city? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Nagpur. D. Bengaluru. Your correct answer is option A. Mumbai. Which country shares the longest border with India? A. China. B. Pakistan. C. Nepal. D. Bangladesh. Your correct answer is option D. Bangladesh. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? A. Kaziranga. B. Nagarjuna Sagar. C. Satpura. D. Sahyadri. Your correct answer is option B. Nagarjuna Sagar. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of which fruit? A. Banana. B. Orange. C. Mango. D. Watermelon. Your correct answer is option C. Mango. The famous Varli painting belongs to which state of India? A. Maharashtra. B. West Bengal. C. Uttarakhand. D. Jharkhand. Your correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Which country is the largest producer of uranium in the world? A. China. B. Indonesia. C. Kazakhstan. D. Canada. Your correct answer is option C. Kazakhstan. Which is the largest port in India? A. Kochi Port. B. Port Blair. C. Vizag Port. D. Mumbai Port. Your correct answer is option D. Mumbai Port. Which place is known as the Steel City of India? A. Nagpur. B. Gyanpur. C. Jamshedpur. D. Chennai. Your correct answer is option C. Jamshedpur. Which is the oldest mountain range of India? A. Aravalli Range. B. Vindhya Range. C. Western Ghats. D. Himalaya. Your correct answer is option A. Aravalli Range. Which place is known as the City of Rallies in India? A. Mumbai. B. Jammu. C. New Delhi. D. Chennai. Your correct answer is option C. New Delhi. Who is the current Foreign Minister of India? A. Rajnath Singh. B. Amit Shah. C. S. Jayashankar. D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Your correct answer is option C. S. Jayashankar. In which year the First World War started? A. 1914. B. 1919. C. 1939. D. 1947. Your correct answer is option A. 1914. In which city India's first metro rail was introduced? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. Your correct answer is option D. Kolkata. Who is the founder of Apple Company? A. Elon Musk. B. Bill Gates. C. Steve Jobs. D. Jeff Bezos. Your correct answer is option C. Steve Jobs. Who is the longest serving Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Your correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which countries are separated by McMahon Line? A. India Sri Lanka. B. India Pakistan. C. India China. D. India Afghanistan. Your correct answer is option C. India China. How many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra? A. 22 spokes. B. 24 spokes. C. 26 spokes. D. 32 spokes. Your correct answer is option B. 24 spokes. Which is the hottest continent in the world? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. Australia. Your correct answer is option C. Africa. Which is the first university established in the world? A. Nalanda University. B. Takshila University. C. Oxford University. D. Harvard University. Your correct answer is option B. Takshila University. Which is the second largest state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Your correct answer is option D. Madhya Pradesh. Who wrote the famous book The Jungle Book? A. Henry James. B. Rudyard Kipling. C. Alfred Austin. D. Charles Edward. Your correct answer is option B. Rudyard Kipling. Which city is known as the Gateway of South India? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Chennai. D. Kanyakumari. Your correct answer is option C. Chennai. International Women's Day is celebrated on A. the 5th of April. B. the 8th of January. C. the 14th of September. D. the 8th of March. Your correct answer is option D. The 8th of March. Which is the second largest statue in the world? A. Statue of Unity. B. Spring Temple Buddha. C. Statue of Liberty. D. Christ the Redeemer. Your correct answer is option B. Spring Temple Buddha. Which city is known as the Silver City in India? A. Cuttack. B. Shimla. C. Mysore. D. Bengaluru. Your correct answer is option A. Cuttack. Which is the hottest sea present on Earth? A. Red Sea. B. Black Sea. C. Baltic Sea. D. Arabian Sea. Your correct answer is option A. Red Sea. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.